Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be my updated spring nighttime routine, just showing you the products I use to unwind, take my makeup off, get ready for bed, some old products, some new products, just basically an updated routine. I had some requests, so here you go. I'm just starting by lighting all of the candles in the apartment. I like to get things really cozy. This is my favorite lavender one from Mrs. Meyer's, and I just light my little tea light in my little amethyst holder. I turn on all the twinkle lights and the fireplace because it has still been chilly in LA, which has been nice, and my rock salt lamp. Just doing all the cozy things possible. And I'm going to diffuse some oil in my bedroom. I am taking the doTERRA Wild Orange mixed with some lavender. I've been obsessed with this orange oil. You guys have heard me talk about it 1,000 times. And I'm using mostly orange with just maybe 2 or 3 drops of lavender, and it just smells really relaxing yet fresh, and I love it. And this is my petal diffuser. I'll link it down below. I love that as well. And then I'm going to spritz my pillows with the Twilight body spray from LUSH. Here I am, ready to get ready for bed. So I'm just going to put my hair up first, as usual, get it out of my way, and I'm going to just use a claw clip for that. I'm going to take out my earrings because I don't like to sleep or shower in those. Then I'm going in with this new Kate Somerville Cold Cream Moisturizing Cleanser. They sent this to me, so thank you guys. And it's basically just like a cleanse-off balm, and I really like it. It feels really good on your skin, and it smells amazing. I think it does a pretty good job of taking off your makeup. I will keep you updated as I keep trying it, but so far I am really liking it. So I'm just going to put that all over dry skin to melt off my makeup and then rinse with water. Then I'm going in with this simple Micellar Facial Gel Wash and my Clarisonic Mia. And I've been using the Acne brush head, and I've been really liking it. So I'm just going to put some of that onto the brush head directly, run it under some warm water, and then directly apply it to the face. And the cycle lasts for a minute, so they say just to time it evenly between all the parts of your face. So that is exactly what I do. And I've been liking this new simple wash. They were out of my normal one, so I picked this one up, and I've been trying it out, and I like it. It's really moisturizing. So after that, I'm going to pat my face dry like so. Then I'm going to put on my favorite mask of all time, the GlamGlow Thirstymud mask. Nothing fixes my face like this does. It is so moisturizing, it smells like Hawaii, and I swear, I have dry skin, and this just really does the job, and I love it. It's expensive. I'm gonna buy it again for the VIB sale. I'm obsessed. So I'm just going to slap that all over my face, including my eyelids, because my eyelids get really dry. And yeah, then it is bath time. I've been using this Neep Lavender Essential Oil Bubble Bath, and it's this really deep blue color, and it's really nice. It's aromatherapy, and it just smells really, really good. I'll link it down below. So I'm just going to let the bath water fill up. Then for my bath bomb this evening, I'm using the April Showers bath bomb from the Easter range from LUSH. If it's still available, I'll link it down below, but I really liked it. Those colorful teardrops are actually like cocoa butter, and it was really moisturizing, and it smelled like lavender, and it was really nice. So yeah. Then after bath time, I'm going to dry off, put on my PJs, and slather my whole body in Sleepy Lotion from LUSH. And I wanted you to see my cute mini shirt. I'm all about the cute Disney shirts. I'll link it down below. Then I'm going in with my LUSH tea tree water, toner water that I love. I can't live without this stuff. I'm just obsessed. Then it's time to brush my teeth, and you don't need to see me do that, so I'm just going to cover the camera. And in the midst of covering the camera, I somehow made it blurry, so I apologize. It's just a little blurry, and it's fine. Okay, so then I'm going to roll out my face with my jade roller, which I've really been liking. You can keep it in the fridge to keep it a little cold, but it just is good for your face. It creates lymphatic drainage and reduces swelling and under eye circles and all that good stuff. So I've been loving my jade roller. Then I'm going in with some new Clarins products. This is from the Hydra Essential line. It's their eye mask, which I was like, what does that mean? So you can either use it for like a 15-minute pick-me-up, or you can use it overnight. So I've been liking that so far. They sent me some of their new stuff, and I'm trying it out. And then this is the LUSH Grease Lightening Aloe Tea Tree Gel that I use as my spot treatment on my pimples and such, my scars. Oh, had to get a drink out of my cute Nintendo cup. Then I'm going in with the new Clarins Hydra Essential Lip Balm that I have really, really been liking. I like this as much as my Creme de Rose Dior Lip Balm. Okay. Now I'm going in with my Pixi Skin Treats Rose Oil Blend. You guys know I love this stuff. My skin has been so dry, so I'm using this. You can get it at Target. It's relatively affordable for a really nice face oil, so I would highly recommend it, and I'm just going to just drench my face in it, just really get it going. But that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed my nighttime skincare get unready, wow, with me routine. I love you. I will have all the products listed down below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, and yeah, I hope you have a good night. Okay, bye!